I can't speak anything but the truth. I can't turn back to my duty just to please someone. Great thought said by great political leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Today I am giving the speech for him. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a very reputed person and political leader of India. He was an important leader of Indian National Congress and first deputy prime minister of first cabinet independent India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, was born on October 31st, 1875, in a small village of Karamsad at Kheda district of Gujarat. His father's name was Jaber Bhai and mother's name was Lad Bhai. His father was a farmer and his mother is a housewife. From his childhood only, he was a very hardworking student. He used to help his father at his farming and studied his course at Petlad. After the school, he used to help his father. In spite of financial condition, his father make him go to the college, but he refused. And just by sitting in home for 3 years, he prepared the exam for district leader examination, and hence passed with good percentage. He was of independent nature. He never worked for other, especially the Britishers. He used to work for very patriotic feeling and he used to work for India only. He hate Britishers. After the district leader examination, he went to London. He went to England and passed his barrister exam and returned to India. When after returning to India, he heard the motivational speech at Ahmedabad from Gandhiji, and he joined for the freedom fight. After hearing the motivational speech from the Gandhiji, he joined the different freedom fights. When Britishers was taking farmers' land, he just raised the voice against government. He brought all the farmers together, and giving with motivational speech, he rebelled against the strenuous work of by encouraging by his speech the farmers go against the government. After that, his name was popularly referred as Sardar. After that, he have done very different things and good things for India. He had just united all the India states by doing different hard works, and he take different hard steps to unite the India. When by fighting with Nawab of Hyderabad, Nizam of Junagadh, he united the India in very short time and referred to as the Iron Man by his mysterious work and very hard by his enthusiasm. After when Gandhiji was murdered, the whole nation was very deep was in deep sorrow, and Sardar Vallabhbhai felt so bad. And in 15 December 1950, he was also died, and the whole nation was at the deep sorrow, and the great political leader was lost from the India.